We're in the village of Yeolmbridge to see this 2-bedroom cottage. Look at that lovely view you've got. So that's over Yeolmbridge Bridge. There is a parking area for 2 vehicles just in front of this garden here. So it is the full garden at the front. So you've got a shared area for your neighbours either side here. So plenty of beams. Really characterful property. Got the wood burner just there. Lovely little feature window seat. So as we lead through, kitchen. Got that lovely style sink there. So let's take you outside. So the rare opportunity with this house is it comes with 2 outbuildings. So obviously got shared access for neighbours just here as well. Then all of this is just belonging to this house. So what we have is the garden up these steps. So oil-fired central heating. And then I'll show you into this outbuilding first. So look at the rare opportunity of this. Great sort of study, home, office room. There's plenty of opportunity. And then another one here, good for storage. It houses the oil boiler, and it also has a little WC there. So rare to find a property like this. So Yeolmbridge is around about a 5-minute drive from the town of Launceston. It's on the road to Bude, so easily get to the North Cornish coast. So as we lead upstairs, these are quite steep stairs, so you do have to be quite careful with these. So you've got a nice little hallway here. Take you into the master bedroom. So this has got a feature fireplace. Great size, the original flooring. Look at that lovely little view there. So we lead through. You've got the other bedroom just here. That looks onto one of the outbuildings that I just showed you. Got that ceiling. And finally is the bathroom. So this also has a really nice size ceiling. If you're interested, then do get in contact.